Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of vivo T1x smartphone. So now quickly open it up. So here in top we get this small box and you can see vivo. So now quickly see what we get inside it. So here we get some reading manuals and warranty card, and this is the transparent back case you get in the box. You can see. Okay, keep this aside. And guys, here's the phone itself. It is in a space blue color. The gravity black color is also available. And if we talk about, you can see the SAR value of this phone. You can see 1.24 watt per kg head and 0.73 watt per kg body. Okay, and if we talk about the storage, you can see I have 64 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM. The 128 GB ROM and 6 GB RAM variant is also available. Okay, so we come to the phone later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB type C to USB 2.0 cable, and this is the SIM ejector pin. You can see this is the SIM ejector pin, and here we get the 18-watt fast charger in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the phone. So here you can see here's the phone itself. Now quickly remove its plastic cover. So you can see here's the phone itself. It is in a space blue color, as I said. You can see the design. If we talk about the design, it is next level of textures over. You can see frosted curtain coating with a silky feel. You can see strong anti-fingerprint feature. You can see it has a strong anti-fingerprint feature, and nano grade color coating integrates flowing light and shadow. You can see it flowing light and shadow. You can see in space blue color, which is a really good thing. You can see a premium look. You can see. And if we talk about its weight is 182 gram, and the thickness of this phone is only 8 mm. Okay. Okay, and now if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So another good thing, you can see it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on bottom it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack, main microphone, 3.5 USB type C port, and main speaker over there available. You can see. And on this side we get nothing. And on this side we get a side mounted fingerprint with power on off key and volume up and down key. And on back, guys, it has multi camera feature. You can see 50 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera over there with dual LED flash. And on front it has 8 megapixel front camera with 6.58 inches full HD plus 90 hertz display, which is a really good thing. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. So as you can see, I have set up the device. The phone is now loading applications. So here we are in the main screen of vivo T1x smartphone. If we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature, and if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Helpful quick setting and brightness adjustment setting is also available there. Okay, and if we talk about the display, guys, it has 90 hertz high refresh rate display. So quickly check this out. As you can see, guys, display is running really smooth. Here you can see display is running really smooth. Yep, guys, display is running really smooth. No doubt. Display is running really smooth. And if we go in settings, if we go in about phone, so you can see the processor is Snapdragon 680 2.4 gigahertz octa-core processor, 4 plus 1 GB RAM. It has extended RAM 2.0 technology, and if we talk about the Android version, it is running on Android version 11. You can see. And if we talk about the phone storage, you can see 64 GB phone storage available. And here if we go in software information, so you can see FunTouchOS 12 Global is currently running on this phone. And here the Android security update is of August 1, 2022, and Google Play System update is of December 1, 2020. As you can see guys, the phone is running really smooth. If we talk about the display and if we talk about its running speed, you can see it is running really smooth. It has 90 Hz high refresh rate display. The operating is really good. The UI running really smooth, no doubt. Okay, and after it, if we talk about its camera, here are some shots I took with this phone in different lighting condition with different modes. And if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, so now quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and you can see it unlock the phone I put, and it quickly unlock the phone I put it, and it quickly unlock I put. And guys, the side mounted fingerprint is really fast and responsive. And if we talk about its face unlock performance, quickly check this out. I look and it unlock the phone. I'm not seeing. I look and it unlock the phone quickly. You can see I'm not. I look and it quickly unlock the phone. So both are really fast and responsive, guys. You can see. I look and it quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of vivo T1x smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.